In a primetime news follow-up, military and police personnel are to be dispatched to the Riverton City Disposal Site in St. Andrew as the authorities try to prevent more fires at the facility. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie told TVJ News today that similar security arrangements will also be put in place at the Retirement Disposal Site in St. James. TVJ's Vashon Brown has the latest.
The Riverton fire may be extinguished, but there is still concern about the smoke nuisance. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie says the smoke problem has been significantly minimized. So when will the smoke be totally cleared?
I don't want you to hold me to a specific date, but I did say I am hoping we'll have a smoke-free Independence Day.
Riverton was not the only disposal site that kept firefighters busy in recent times. In fact, there were 10 other fires at disposal sites across the island, all in less than 2 months. The fires have been blamed on arsonists, but environmentalists say the bigger problem is poor management. The government insists something is being done.
The military, along with the police, they have just concluded a meeting here a short while ago, and arrangements are now fully in place for the military and the police to occupy sections of the Riverton and the retirement landfill to enhance the security at these two locations.
The minister says based on information, arsonists are planning to strike again. Security at the other disposal sites has also been stepped up.
We have brought in private security, and we are also having beef up patrols in these areas. And we are doing this as a part of measures that we are going to be intensifying over the next couple of days into next week.
For Mr. McKenzie, all this does not look good.
It is a poor reflection on us as a country when we have to turn to our military and our police to provide the kind of security at a landfill.
The local government minister adds that drones will also be provided to enhance security at the dumps. He says procurement has already started for the drones and he hopes they will be operational before the end of the year. In the meantime, he says Prime Minister Andrew Holness will be writing to opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips for his support on a public education campaign. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.